International University, and I'm from India, and my major here is sociology or Samhita가. 네, 반갑습니다.
Today we are going to have two kinds of menus. First, we are going to make you taste the normal way with the 진라면. Second menu will be kimchi fried rice, like 진라면볶음밥. We will give you the first menu, the 진라면, in normal way.
잘 먹겠습니다. It's like buttery and it's medium spicy.
Medium spicy. Oh, so it's not really spicy for you?
It's not really spicy. That's the soup, but I don't know like noodles on hotel. 근데 진라면과 I've never tried, so let's taste it. It's like relatively thin noodles, so it's easy to chew. It's not very chewy actually, and that's what I like about. If noodles are like that, then I like it better. I think it's tasty. I just like the taste of it. Sometimes in my dormitory, in the morning, early morning, before an exam or after an exam, or like late night food, everybody's having like ramen.
Yeah, that's right. It's really
그냥 it's like 편하게, like the most comfortable food ever. I think like your first impression, it is medium spicy, but it is a little bit I would say not on the mild side, and a little bit in the medium spicy to the more spicy. Then as you start eating it more and more, then the spice kind of hits in. 약간 이렇게 다 맛있어요.
Next menu is called 진라면볶음밥.
That's so good. Like when you were cooking it, it was like so good. This is actually so nice. This is actually so nice. This is like chin fusion.
Chin fusion, yeah. That's really a good word, I think.
약간 chin fusion 같아. 맛있겠다. 일단은 I like it. I actually really like this because when you eat just like the ramen, you have like a classic ramen taste. But then this one is like, let's do something. Let's like, you have a stove and you have ramen, then you have rice and you have egg. What do I do?
Yeah, maybe put it together and
mix it up,
another
right?
different menu.
No, it's actually like, it's really good.
Have you ever tried the kimchi fried rice before?
I've tried it before, but I've never had like with noodles and like with like rice. So I think it's worth it. Ramen is very classic, but then this is like next level. I might finish it like the whole thing. Can I do that?
Yeah, sure.
So this is like you can't figure out the difference between the ramen and the rice because it's like into small pieces now.
Yeah.
You can figure out like, okay, if I would close my eyes and eat this, then I can taste jin ramen because I know you've added jin ramen, but is the noodles there? Like I can't figure out.
You finished.
네, 진라면 30주년 축하해요.
This is a beautiful present. Thank you.
It's such a pretty box. Thanks. You should have given me when I was eating the ramyun. Wow.
These are ramen sets. Because you know the Daegu is the hottest region in Korea. So
Paprika.
yeah, that's what we heard. And that's why we brought the portable fan. That is the fan.
감사합니다.